Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for you and I have got ASOS's box for June. Gorgeous design box, a little bit different than usual. If you're new to ASOS and you want to learn a little bit more about their boxes, then carry on watching. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside the box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. ASOS have been doing beauty boxes for a couple of years now. They release them once a month, usually around the first week of the month. Normally the cost of the monthly boxes are £12 and contain 5 beauty products, but this month the cost of the box is £20 and contains 9 beauty products. This is not a subscription, you just need to create an account on ASOS, and if you want it you can buy it. You get to see exactly what's inside the box, but if you don't want it then you don't have to. It's just like purchasing a pair of jeans off their website basically, but they do this every month. Since the start of the year I've been receiving these ASOS boxes as PR, which I'm really grateful for, and they usually send them out to me early so I'm able to show you before the boxes are released. But I haven't received one this month, so I'm not sure if I'm getting one or not, but when this box was released a couple of days ago I decided to buy one just in case I don't receive a PR one. Now these boxes sell out super fast. They used to be released on the 1st of the month, but over the last, I'd say about a year, they haven't been. They've been released within the first week or so. So as soon as I find out when they are released, either from people that work in ASOS or because loads of you lovely lot message me to let me know, Claire, it is live, I post up everywhere. All my social channels I'll post up. These boxes I've been known to sell out within an hour. This one hasn't yet, maybe because the price has gone up a little bit, I'm not too sure, but as always I'd love to hear your thoughts, so make sure you comment down below. So to be in the know of when these boxes are released, make sure you click on all the notifications on my Facebook, on my Instagram, on my YouTube, so then you'll never miss out, because I have never missed one. But yeah, I think that's it as far as information goes. If you're interested in this box for yourself, I'll pop it down in my description, so underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside the June box. So inside we get a little card and it details everything about the products, so I'll refer to this as we go along. Do a sneak peek first. This is the Buyer's Face and Body Box Takeover. If you've ever wondered what beauty products the pros swear by, this is your lucky month. For this extra special face and body box, our buy-in team have selected their ultimate summer picks. That's all the freshest makeup, skincare staples and hair heroes to see you through the warmer months. I don't think this will be the new norm for them. It sounds like they will be going back to their £12 boxes. If I hear any different, then I'll let you know. From hard-working moisturisers to long-lasting lipsticks, these game-changing products have proven themselves worthy of a spot in our face and body experts routine. It says not only will you find some of the biggest brands, think CeraVe, Elemis, Revolution and Glam Glow, but this time around there are no less than 9 cult face and beauty heroes to get your hands on, all for £20. So get ready to discover all the best summer formulas from those in the know, helping you curate a ultimate summer face and body routine we know you're gonna love. Okay, first up is something that I have got myself and I really love it. It is such a fab mascara. This is a Revolution 5D mascara. It's in super black and it's lift and define extra dimensional mascara, and I think I purchased it for about £8.99, something like that. Now normally I am not a fan of these type of wands, but this one really grabs my lashes. I've got really short, thin, straight lashes. Oh, they're a nightmare. You can hardly see my lashes when I've got mascara on, but this mascara does actually lift them and thickens them. I do really like it. Chuffed to have that, even though I've already got one, but I'll save it and use it when my other one runs out. So there's a mascara by Revolution. Next we've got a product by CeraVe, and this is a smoothing cream for dry, rough, bumpy skin. It's fragrance free and it exfoliates, softens and smooths rough skin while helping restore the skin's barrier with 3 essential ceramides, urea and salicylic acid. And there's 177 mils here. CeraVe is a lovely brand. It's a really nice brand. I don't think I've tried this before. I've got a feeling I might have tried a teeny tiny sample. When they're really small samples, I might try them and then unless it's like a makeup product where I get a good few tries out of it. But we've got CeraVe cleansers that we all use downstairs. Oh, look. I was saying look. You're not going to see much. Oh, that feels so, so nice. Yeah, that is gorgeous. A nice big size as well. So the second full-size product in the box. Then we've got some facial pads, and these are by Indeed Laboratories, and these are no acid pads, a gentle alternative to acids. It contains 30 pads in here. This is quite a new brand for me. You can see in there. No strong scent. I like the little tub. These pads work using probiotics and extracts from Japanese cedar buds and yarrow to exfoliate skin, formulated to reduce the appearance of enlarged pores, fine lines and wrinkles, and improve skin texture. Oh, that sounds really, really nice actually. I've currently got a subscription with Skin and Me where I pay monthly to receive tretinoin on my face. I used to suffer really, really badly with acne, really massive cystic acne in clusters all over mainly my T-zone, but mainly on my chin. I'm on medication now. Acne has stopped, brilliant, but I am left with scarring mainly around my forehead here, and lumps with texture and scarring around my chin, my nose, massive pores on my nose. But also I've got pigmentation as well, so the tretinoin has been really, really helping. Absolutely brilliant cream, but I've had to stop it because I've had my brows microbladed. They are 4 weeks old tomorrow, but I've been steering away from acids. I've introduced vitamin C back into my skincare, but as far as salicylic acid, glycolic acid products, I've been a little bit wary. So this sounds perfect actually. This sounds really, really nice and gentle. Yeah, just to ease me back in there. So no, I'm chuffed to that. Next we got a product by Elemis, and this is a little mini one, but this 15ml mini one is worth £30 as it is. This is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It's an anti-wrinkle day cream. It's a really nice cream, feels nice on the skin, absorbs well, and yeah, if you like Elemis, or if you've never tried Elemis, then yeah, you're getting a bargain here. Next we've got something for your hair, and this is Invisibobble, the Elegant Hair Ring. And they're slim. You might not be able to see much there. I'll just get it out. I'm going to give these to my daughter because I don't like them in my hair whatsoever. I've got really thin hair. It's thin and long. I've got a halo hair extension in my hair there now, so it's all blended in with my natural hair. But I've tried these in the past and they just tangle up so badly. So my daughter's got thicker hair, even though she says that these type of bands aren't great if you want like a really tight hairdo, but she says for a basic ponytail or a low ponytail, except what I've got here, then they're fine. So she'll use them. Next we've got a product by This Works, and this is Stress Check Mood Manager, a motion activated aromatherapy spray to create a soothing, balanced atmosphere wherever you are. Motion activated. What? It's when where'd you spray it? Into the atmosphere. So when you move or walk into it, you walk into it and you sniff it. I don't get that. I'm not sure if this is a new sort of range from This Works, but I have received a few different Stress Check products. I've had I think it's a body cream, a hand sanitizer, and I think this is the very first Stress Check spray that I've had there. So we got 5 mils. It's just the motion activated. I don't get that. I wonder. Yeah, it reminds me of the hippie shops I used to go in when I was younger. The type of shops that, oh, I love them. They sell jewellery, they sell bags, they sell incense sticks, everything you can think of, tarot cards, crystals, that sort of smell, like lavender, rose, I'm not sure. Does it say anything about it here? Ylang ylang? Vetiver, and it's just too small for me to read. I need to get my eyes tested, I think. I wear glasses because I can't see far away. But I know I'm getting older, and the chances of me having glasses for helping me see up close. Anyway, you don't want to listen to me babbling on about my blimmin' eyesight. It's a stress check spray. Next, we've got a Glam Glow. This is a Super Mud. This is a face mask, a clearing treatment, and I think we've got 7 grams there. Now, we received this in, I'm sure, in ASOS boxes before. It's a nice mask, but it doesn't excite me. It's not the reason why I bought this box for myself. I've received it so many times, but it's not to say that it's not a good mask. It's an alright mask, but there are better ones out there. Next, we've got a lipstick by Bare Minerals, and this is a little mini one, and this is Mineralist, a Hydra Soothing Lipstick, and we've got it in shade Honesty. I've already got this lipstick. I'm not sure if I've got it in this shade, but I've got one, and it's bright red, and it is stunning. It is stunning. Yeah, that's a nice rosy colour. There, a nice shade. Nice shade. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got a little sample of Away Detox Shampoo for all hair types, and it's 10 mils here, so it's just like a one try little sample there. This is a gorgeous brand. We had a collaboration box with ASOS last year, maybe the year before, I can't remember now. I thought this brand just did hair, but no, they have the most amazing scented body cream. Oh, I loved it. I loved it. And it just says, being on a dry shampoo binge, time for a detox. This concentrated shampoo with apple cider vinegar will deeply cleanse away dirt, oil and impurities. It also removes buildup from styling products or hard water deposits, leaving hair feeling refreshed and super clean. Here's your fresh start. See you next week. So there you go. So those are all the products inside this month's box. So I'm just going to gather them all up and do a bit of a recap for you. So starting with the full size items first, we've got a CeraVe Soothing Cream. We've got a Revolution 5D Black Mascara. We've got Indeed Laboratories No Acid Facial Pads. We've got a set of 3 Invisibobble Hair Bubbles. We've got a mini Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. We've got a mini Bare Minerals lipstick in shade Honesty. We've got a This Works Stress Check Spray. We've got a little mini sample of Glam Glow Super Mud face mask. And lastly, we've got an Away Detox Shampoo Sachet. The cost of the box is £20. It contains 9 beauty products and it has a value of around £100. For me, these 3 are the winners from the box. I love the Elemis. Absolutely love Elemis, the brand. But I do have quite a few of the moisturisers in the Pro Collagen Marine range at the moment. But those 3 products are the ones that swayed me into buying this box. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Have you bought it? Or did you think, nah, this is not a box for you this month? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.